If you're a professional graphic artist or are knowledgeable in graphic software like Adobe Photoshop, you may want to consider designing buttons using your own software. We have graphic templates with guidelines that you can download so you can design your buttons the best possible way using your own graphic design software. If you're familiar with creating files like PDFs, JPGs, PNGs, AIs, etc., then this is for you. This is how to download and use design templates on wackybuttons.com. Click on Create, download a template. Click on a product that you would like a template for. Let's choose Standard Pinback. Here's all the formats and sizes and shapes that you can download from. Please note the instructions down below. There's round buttons here, and then here's the instructions for square. If you choose round buttons, you'll see that there are 3 rings. The inner ring is what shows on the front of the button. Make sure that you leave a little space around the inner ring for best results. So in other words, you want the edge here, you want it to come in a little bit. That way you'll make sure it's not going to wrap around the button. The middle ring is where the design wraps around the outer rim edge of the button. If you want to have rim edge text, make sure it does not touch either of the rings. Try to give more space on the top so that it would not risk to be cut off. The outer ring is the cutoff point at the edge where the rim meets the backing. Make sure that the template lines are disabled in your graphics software so that it can be ready for us to set up for you. If you choose square buttons, you'll see 3 squares. The inner square shows the front image of the button. Make sure that you leave a little space around the inner square for best results. That way it won't wrap around the button. The middle square is where the crimped edge ends on the back of the button. If you want to have rim text, make sure the text does not touch this area or any of the corners here. If it goes over this, it's not going to be visible. You want to make sure that the rim text is further away from the middle square so that it's more readable and won't risk getting cut off. You can submit your graphic to us using the Send Us an Image form, which you can find here. Create, Send Us an Image. Just fill out the form and press Submit My Design. After you submit the form, our artist will send you an email with a mock-up of your image on the product you chose. You can place your order after you get this email. If you prefer not to fill out the Submit My Design form, you could simply email your graphic to us as an attachment instead. You can just email your picture to order@wackybuttons.com. It's right on the bottom of our webpage. It will get the job done just as effectively. We usually complete design requests like this within 1 to 2 hours from when you submit, as long as we are open during our regular business hours. If you submit your design after business hours, we get back to you when we open the very next business day. We're open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time. Have fun designing your buttons. Thanks for watching.